What is this big sparkly thing before our very eyes? Well, ladies and gentlemen, behold the first ever video arcade game.
Computer Space!
Computer Space was made in 1971 by a manufacturer called Nutting Associates. Computer Space is a pretty simple space war game where you control a rocket ship and you take on 2 flying saucers. I must say, this has to be one of the coolest looking arcade cabs ever. The cab is fiberglass with that sparkly metal flake paint job. This game actually came in several different colors. ACAM's Computer Space is Radical Red. I say radical, although I'm sure that wasn't a word used back in the early 70s. Groovy Red just doesn't have the same ring to it. Anyways, the control panel consists of 4 buttons. A thrust button, fire button, and 2 rotation buttons. And I think it's really neat too that the control panel is off-center. Hang on to your hats for some killer graphics. Hey, for the early 70s, it was pretty mind-blowing. So the object of the game is to outscore your flying saucer enemies before the timer runs out. If you can manage to pull this off, then you go into hyperspace mode where you can do it all over again. I wish I could show you, but I am terrible at this game. It's definitely not as easy as it looks. Your ship moves really slow, and you can only shoot 1 shot at a time until the shot goes out of screen. When you get hit or hit a saucer, well, you know. Gotta love that retro explosion sound. Computer Space may have not aged very well, but it's definitely a head-turner because of its unique cabinet look. Maybe someday I'll be good enough to enter hyperspace. This game is pretty rare, so to get a hands-on experience, definitely head over to ACAM at FunSpot and check this radical game out. There's that radical word again. Sorry.